phenomenon. This evolutionary phenomenon, you can regard it as natural selection with regarding to industrial melanism. It is an evolutionary phenomenon. The evolutionary phenomenon aspect has which is a good. Yah main point is yaad, tim gay yet part. Number first you see concept of natural selection chu. Concept of natural selection chu dutmut actually for the first time it was given by Darwin. तो तोह अगर Darwin's theory of natural selection आसी याद तथ मज आसु तोह पता कि Darwin छु वनान organisms हसा छि because of the struggle for existence पन्ने body मज develop करन variations. These variations can be useful or they can be harmful. And these useful and harmful variations are finally tested by nature. Nature chu survive karne khatre timnai organisms select karan yihze body mans useful variations asan to yihze body mans harmful variations asan tim organisms chun nature's mans exist hekan gesit ke. So natural selection implies that only those organisms survive in a particular kind of habitat in a set of particular kind of environmental conditions which have useful variations, and those organisms which possess harmful variations, harmful for that kind of environment, harmful for that kind of habitat conditions, these organisms in the long run do not survive. Example demo is this example is regarding industrial melanism. Beta, you see industrial melanism chu is thao yet part yaad point is thao is yet part yaad godnish kachi ki the phenomenon of industrial melanism was well studied by Kettlewood. It was well studied by Kettlewood. Biologist was now Kettlewood. Ye phenomenon of industrial melanism ko study. Gaya ka. Doim ka hi ki Kettlewood soon use focus was. That focus was towards a particular kind of moth. Moth means pompul. Ekis particular kind of moths. Moth kis matlab horizonus man. Ekis particular kind of moths that was Kettlewood karan research. Godnish kathmano isi ki Kettlewood kar study there are about 70 species of moths. 70 species of moths hasachi present in Britain as well as in Europe. Kettlewood kar study ki Britain's mans the Europe's mans hasachi pranya zaman pet exist gasan about 70 species of moths. The moth one we mean beta. By moth we mean pompul. Now look here. Train ka hi ki basic focus use moth sundwas. Basic focus yat moth aspect Kettlewood's was that was towards a species of moth. That moth was called as peppered moth. That means moth has chosen peppered moth. You see, peppered moth has zoological name Piston bidularia. Piston bidularia. Basic focus was Kettlewood soon towards a kind of moth. That moth was peppered moth. Peppered moth is called as Piston bidularia. Achha. During his research, Kettlewood had important findings. Kettlewood and Wushki before the year 1845. Ardashat Pansdaji born. You say Piston bidularia chu. Ardashat Pansdaji born has a yim woods jungle yim earth ya yimzan tree laden areas earth Englandic the Europe. They were covered by them woods, them cool earth covered by white kind of lichens. Kulian hind yimzan sitamazas, timan petha sapphire lichens khasan. Consequently, kulian hinds you sitam area chu kulian hind yum god the baki area as yiman woodson before the year 1845. these woods, these plant stems, these tree stems, these looked, they had a wide surface area. Human has a surface area wide. The during his research, he wichan ki ardashat panstaji bone. Ardashat panstaji bone has a earth because kulian his yes surface was void because of the inhabitants of a particular kind of lichen. Consequently, you see marchu, you see pomperchu. Pomper sund ach trait hasa was zyada ivan labna. Temis traiters chumanan Piston Betullaria typica. Piston Betullaria typica. Piston Betullaria typica. And this was wide body surface. The wide body surface it was zyada abundant upon the trees. Kulian hindis matlab yase sitamus pet exist gasan before the year 1845. And patan tikyaze ardashat panstaji bont asna England's mans tisa industries pemse ke ya Europe's mans asne tisa industries launched gamse ke. Consequently, environmental pollution level was very low. The environment was quite clear. Natural habitat as mans yiman kulian pet khasan safed lichens, kulian hins just external matlab surfaces that appeared to be void. Consequently, at void habitat aspect yiman white surface and pet was Piston Betullaria sun a particular type yivan zyada labna. Then is Piston Betullarias, one was Piston Betullaria typica. The yes ye form of Piston Betullaria it was white. Consequently, kulian his surface was white. That pet was safed pomper zyada rozan, safed pomper has camouflage melan. The consequently, timers birds of niche baki predator or niche bacha. Tamik matlab go Piston Betullaria typica, yemis white body surfaces. Yes, you white surface of the body is. Yes, then sat a useful variation. The consequently useful variation world ये मात्र से ज़्यादा exist करता है। अब क्या गई काम? The research of Cattlwood shows that after 1845, England can Woodson mans the European Woodson mans hasa गई launch वारिया industries. इन साथ वारिया industries गई launch. Industrial pet was smoke near, black emission near. Yimo कारखानों पे draw duh. And duh suit gay kulian hin surface gay black. And duh suit has a gay kulian hin surface black. Consequently, ardashat panstarji path. Yel kulian hin surface gay black. And pata wishni ki you see Piston Betullaria typica chu yemis white body surface chu ohan number hasa go consistently decrease. तो वारियान अलाकन मंज गो ओहन नंबर पेरिश तिक्या सफेद माथ हेक्यान मन ब्लैक बैकग्राउंड मंज खटित रूजित के consequently बदल किस्म गो माथन हुन पद यमिस बॉडी सरफेस इज ब्लैक तमिस बदल किस्म किस माथस थोक नाव Piston Betullaria carbonaria consequently ardashat panstarji path Yem sath industrial revolution go England as mans the Europe as mans another type of moth increased in number. That type of moth belonging to the same species Piston Betullaria that was called as Piston Betullaria carbonaria. Its body surface was black. Ye black body surface was emis time waqti ken kulian pet devan camouflage tam suit os ye matlab predator or nish hakan baitit. Yelzan Piston Betullaria typica. Yemis body surface white us. So asne hakan matlab yase khatit ruzit ke naturally yes temis totain us useful variation ye whiteness of the body. Sagai prove yath environment as mans harmful variation. Natij draw ye ki temis pet kor predator hamle tuhon number go var kam. And but has a gay gober kam after the year 1940. Kunushat Sabji Path. England asmans bane industrial emission rules. England asmans bane rules, England asmans bane konun, या यूरोपस मज बने कानून यमो कानूनो इंडस्ट्रियो पे ये ब्लैक इमिशन नेरान सह कोर रेस्ट्रिक्ट नतीज द्राव वारियाहन कारखानन मज लगित पत फर्दर तिथ इक्विपमेंट्स यम जन रिसाइकल वेस्टन करान तथी नतीज द्राव कि वारियाहन कारखानन मज गई काम 1940 पत यम साथ यम कानून बने वारियाह कारखानो कोर पन ब्लैक इमिशंस वारियाह हदस तान रेस्ट्रिक्ट यम साथ ब्लैक इमिशंस गई रेस्ट्रिक्ट एनवायरमेंटल पोल्यूटेंट्स गई वारियाह कम यमन कुलियन हिंद सरफेस हेचन वार वार बे बनन वाइट यमन कुलियन हिंद बॉडी सरफेस पे हेतन बे खसन तमय सफेद लाइचन्स तो वार हेचन बॉडी यहज बॉडी सरफेस बे बनन वाइट अम बदा वुश्न कि 1940 पे हसा युस बिस्टन बिटोलेरिया टिपिका यमिस बॉडी सरफेस ब्लैक बिस्टन बिटोलेरिया टिपिका यमिस बॉडी सरफेस वाइट तुहन नंबर हसा गो लगातार इंक्रीज 1940 पत तो बिस्टन बिटोलेरिया कार्बोनिफेरा यमिस बॉडी कार्बोनेरिया यमिस बॉडी सरफेस ब्लैक तुहन नंबर हसा गो प्रोग्रेसिवली डिक्लाइन सो consequently in again changed kind of habitat the white color of the body proved to be useful variation while as black color of the body proved to be harmful variation that was the reason that piston Betuleria typica sun number go 1940 pad var increase piston Betuleria carbonaria sun number go 1940 pad var be decline. Let's have a quick revision. Beta we talk about an evolutionary phenomenon that tries to explain the phenomenon of natural selection. This phenomenon is called as industrial melanism. The concept of natural selection was given by Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin छु वनान कि nature हसा छु select करान तिमने organism survive करने खातिर यमन useful variations आसन तो यमन harmful variations आसन तिमन छु nature करान deselect तिम organisms छन survive हेकान करित के अय पेट कर study industrial melanism अख phenomenon अख पेट कर study cattle wooden को discover कि इंग्लैंडस मंज तो यूरोपस मंज हसा छि प्राने जमान पे लगभग यवान लबन 70 species of moths and so use basic focus was mothn पे so was about a moth that moth was called peppered moth yit part sanen alakan मंज dach pompur ch asan kulian hindis sitamas पे bih yithe part ch peppered moth and its zoological name Biston Betuleria that part was focus cattle woods research has havan ki 1845 bond hasa os Biston Betuleria sun a khususi type zyada abundant kulian his surface pe emis khususi type as chais vanan Biston Betuleria typica emis body surface white asa you see 1945 bond as England's या यूरोपस मज pollution level वारिया low consequently कुलियन हिंदिस सिटमस पेट खसान सफेद लाइचन्स कुलियन हुन सिटम सफेद आ सफेद बैकग्राउंडस पेट असल पट छुपान Biston Betuleria typica एमिस सफेद बॉडी सरफेस प्रेडेटर्स एमिस वुचित हकान के बर्ड्स एटसेट्रा अन पता सा 1845 पत हसा गई इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन इंग्लैंडस मज यूरोपस मज वारिया कारखाना गई एस्टैब्लिश कारखाना त्रो द कारखाना त्रो ब्लैक इमिशंस ब्लैक मैटर को डिपॉजिट अपॉन द surface of the trees कुलियन हिंद सरफेस गई ब्लैक और दौरान वुश्न कि Biston Betuleria typica सुन नंबर को considerably decrease तो आख नो माथ हसा गो पैदा तमिस नयस माथस पे ना Biston Betuleria carbonaria एमिस बॉडी सरफेस ब्लैक यिथिस एनवायरमेंटस मन छु वन ब्लैक माथ हेकान असल पट छुपित व्हाइट माथ छु हेकान असल पट छुपित के लिहाजा आ चेंज्ड एनवायरमेंटस मन छु ब्लैक कलर ऑफ द बॉडी यूजफुल वेरिएशन व्हाइट कलर ऑफ द बॉडी छु हार्मफुल वेरिएशन नतीजा ये कि 1835 पत गो लगातार बिस्टन बेटोलारिया कार्बोनारिया सुन नंबर इंक्रीज बिस्टन बेटोलारिया टिपिका सुन नंबर गो डिक्रीज अम पत बने 1940 मज इंग्लैंडस मज कानून इंडस्ट्रियल इमिशन रुकावने खातिर कारखानन हुंद युस ब्लैक इंडस्ट्रियल इमिशन छु सा वारियास हदस तान रेस्ट्रिक्ट करने consequently कुलियन हिंद सरफेस बने वार बे वाइड यीचा कुलियन हिंद सरफेस वाइड बने या वुश्ने कि बिस्टन बेटोलारिया टिपिका सुन नंबर गो बे वार इंक्रीज ये जन बिस्टन बेटोलारिया कार्बोनारिया ओहन नंबर गो वार डिक्रीज सो कैटलवुड सुन रिसर्च आइसे लगातार हावन कि युथी एनवायरनमेंट चेंज छु गसान अख यूजफुल वेरिएशन हेक बनित हार्मफुल अख हार्मफुल वेरिएशन हेक बनित यूजफुल तो कुनी ती चेंज्ड एनवायरनमेंटस मन छु नेचर हमेशा सिलेक्ट करन तिमन यमन यूजफुल वेरिएशन आस यमन हार्मफुल वेरिएशन आस तिम छन सिलेक्ट गसान के फर्दर पनुन रिसर्च प्रूव करने खातिर कोर कैटलवुडन अख एक्सपेरिमेंट एम क्या कर कम equal numbers of Biston betullaria typica equal numbers of Biston betullaria carbonaria. तमिक मतलब गो white colored moths ते बराबर numbers मंस black colored moths ते बराबर numbers मंस एम कर यम दोन जायन insert आख करिन introduce Birmingham मंस बराबर numbers of Birmingham मंस करिन बराबर numbers of white and black moths introduced. Yithai pat hasa karian yete hasa what we call it as base alakas mans introduce him tach wanan Dorset means thereby em hasa kar white colored moths black colored moths in equal numbers Biston betullaria typica Biston betullaria carbonaria equal numbers mans don jayan introduce Birmingham mans the Dorset Birmingham chivan man highly polluted area. Yelzan Dorset chivan man pollution free area. Dorset chu pollution free area. Birmingham chu highly polluted area. And which in Birmingham var hasa gay white colored mathan hun number go var ya decline black colored mathan hun number go increase. While in case of the environment of Dorset opposite results were found. Dorset's manza वुश्ने कि white colored moths गई proliferate ज़्यादा युहन number go increase ज़्यादा ये जन black colored moth युहन number go increase number go decrease. So consequently as such सी phenomena चेस वना industrial melanism. The industrial melanism chu concept of natural selection 100% prove करा. That was given to us by Charles Darwin. So this lecture was about the phenomenon of natural selection, and the phenomenon of natural selection was proved by another phenomenon studied particularly by Cattlwood. That phenomenon is called as industrial melanism. We will be soon back with another evolutionary concept in our following lecture. I am hopeful that these lectures will prove very much helpful for your study. To which lectures a number of times. In case of any kind of doubt, you can post your doubts in your respective apps. So till then, take care.